So then we're going to do another heading 3, Roman emperors. And then we're going to do an order list. And we need to make sure we type equals. And then obviously you see some options here. We're going to make sure we choose this one here. Gives us an order list closing tag. And then we need to do our list items. Alright, so we have that. Finished our order list with Roman numerals. Alright, so now we're going to do a line break. Comment out. Example of a description list. Do our heading 3, coffee, drinks. Description list. Description term. We're going to do a latte. And then description detail. So a latte is made up of espresso and milk. Another Americano. Is espresso water, hot water. Another description term. Description detail. Then we're going to do another line break. Alright, almost done. I know this is a lot, but it's practice you'll need anyways. Alright, so we're going to do a comment out. Example of a nested list. Alright, H3. Restaurants. Do an unordered list to start. And then a list item. Bellows College would be the name of the restaurant. And then we're going to do an ordered list inside of this unordered list. So then we're going to do a list item, spaghetti. And then chicken marsala. Alright. That'll close our order list. Then we do our second restaurant. Make another order list. List item. Avocado. Shh. close. So open, close, open, close, open, close. And then we're going to do a line break here. Then we have our body and closing our HTML text. Okay, so everything's nice and ordered. One thing you can also note is that where we have these different sections of unordered and ordered lists, there's also these little arrows off to the side where you can collapse it so that, you know, if you know that code's good, you can hide it away so that it doesn't like just fill up an entire page if you don't need it. But make sure you leave it open if I ask you to do like a screenshot or something. Alright, so let's go back. Alright, so each of these tags are slightly different. Okay, and nested list combine both ordered and unordered list elements. Okay, so here's what it would look like on a website. Okay, still white background, black text, but it has all of these different symbols, so bullet points, numbering, Roman numerals, okay, and then this one is nested where it has bullet points and numbering. All right, and you could also reverse it. You could do an ordered list with unordered list nested inside of it. All right, so what I want you to do is go ahead and hit save, save as, we'll call it lists practice. Alright, and then you're going to need to upload this to your drive. So I'm going to make another folder because this is in week 2. Listing tables, and in your content folder, let's see here. So in your My Websites content folder, file upload, and then there's my HTML template. Where did my list save to? List practice. Okay. We're going to upload that into it. I should be able to see a preview. Yeah. And so go ahead and turn this in to Google Classroom. If you do it from Google Drive, it kind of puts it all onto a document so that it's kind of easier to see. So turn it in from Google Drive, and so that Google Drive has it nice and safe. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take your code and you are going to insert your own ideas. So all of this stuff should be changed, but you're going to do it in relation to the computer science career that you did in your About section. Alright, so if you chose like a video game designer, you know, some of the information about a video game designer can be put into a list, such as like education requirements or duties assigned, sort of thing. Like, what are they all supposed to do? You can put all that into a list instead of having to write it out into a sentence. So you need to at least do an unordered list and an ordered list, and then if you can take one of either the nested list or the description list and then put that in. So you need 3 of these basically. Okay, so remember, nested is unordered inside of an ordered list combination or ordered inside of unordered combination. Okay, now you need to take your list practice, and what we're actually going to do is go up to File, Save As, Lists We're going to change the name. Lists. Just call it list assignments for now. Alright. Now you need to go in and change this information to fit your stuff in your About Me, which was your computer science career choice. Alright. So like I said, you're going to choose 3 and change those. So have an unordered section, an ordered section, and then one of these. Alright. Once you have that done, turn that also into Google Classroom. And with both of those done, you'll have one assignment done.